How to update Edits and Instagram app. If you have been using the Edits application and wondering on how to update the Edits app, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the App Store of your mobile phone, just like this. After that, tap onto the search bar and type Edits and Instagram, just like this. Then open it. Now if there is the update version instead of the open right here, simply tap on it and you will see it will be updated. And that's it. This is how you can update the Edits and Instagram app. It is a very easy process, right? Now you can simply enjoy using new features onto this app. Now enjoy using the Edits and Instagram app on your mobile phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.